Got another lesson for you from the Killer's new album, Imploding The Mirage. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Dying Breed. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy. So the verse is made up of 5 chords, the first of which is a C sharp major chord. So you're going to bar the 4th fret from the A string with your pointer finger. And you're also going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 6th fret. Next is an F sharp major chord. So you're going to bar the 2nd fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 4th fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 4th fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the G string. Next is a D sharp minor chord. So you're going to bar the 6th fret from the A string with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 8th fret of the D string, your pinky finger on the 8th fret of the G string, and your middle finger on the 7th fret of the B string. And then last is a G sharp major chord. So you're just going to take the F sharp major chord and move it up 2 frets. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the lead during the verse, so you're going to start on the 6th fret of the D string, then 6th fret G string, 7th fret B string, 6th fret B string, 4th fret B string, then 6th fret G string, 4th fret D string. Then you're going to do that whole first part again, except you're going to stay on the G string, on the 6th fret of the G string. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now for the next part of the lead, you're going to start on the 6th fret of the G string, then 6th fret D string, then 6th fret G string again, then 4th fret B string, 6th fret B string, 4th fret B string, 6th fret G string, then 4th fret D string, 6th fret G string again, then 4th fret B string, 6th fret B string, 4th fret B string, 6th fret G string, 3rd fret G string, 6th fret G string, 4th fret B string, 6th fret B string, 4th fret B string, 6th fret G string, 6th fret D string, 6th fret G string, 4th fret B string, 6th fret B string, 4th fret B string. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the chorus. The chorus starts on an F sharp major chord, which we already learned. Then we're going to move to an A sharp major chord. So you're just going to take the F sharp major chord and move it up to the 6th fret. Then a B major chord. So just take the A sharp major chord and move it up 1 fret. Then A sharp major chord again. Then G sharp major chord. Just take the A sharp major chord and move it down 2 frets. And then back to the F sharp major. Then to a C sharp major chord, which we already learned. Then to an E sharp major chord. So you're just going to take the C sharp major chord and move it up to the 8th fret. Then an F sharp major chord. So you're just going to take the E sharp major chord and move it up 1 fret. Back to the E sharp. Then to a D sharp major chord. So you're just going to take the E sharp and move it down 2 frets. Then to a C sharp major chord again. Then we're going to go to an F major chord. Then back to the E sharp major chord. Then to an A minor chord, which we already learned. G sharp major chord. F sharp major. Back to G sharp major. And all put together, it sounds like this. that's it for Dying Breed. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.